So it's been a pretty good week of activity. This is the inside of the store. Not much is different in here. As we go out into the factory, I notice that things are definitely different out here. Over here in the mixing area, the granite tops are onto the tables. Sinks are in place. Freezer over here into the oven area. The hood's been repaired. Again, all the granite is in place. Come our blast freezers operating with no problems. Roller shutter got installed, I guess, yesterday, so things are pretty much closed up now. Looks like they got a little bit more work to do, but not much. And this shipping area should be done. Pass through cake cooler. It just seems to be accumulating some junk. Over here into the sugar area. Granite tops again have been put in. Doors are in now. Everything is in pretty good shape. Coming back here, nothing much has changed. Right here, back into the dish area. The dish machine's been installed. It's a little bit tight, but you know, most dish areas it's way too big and there's just lots of accumulation of junk. This is a pass-through pot washer with its own little accumulation hood for steam, and it's cozy, but I think that it's going to work really well. Coming back here, we're still missing the doors, the pass-through doors to get back in here to chocolate. Back in the chocolate room, everything's pretty much done. I think that deep cleaning probably is going to get going here really soon. Again, the granite tops have been installed on all of the stainless. All the equipment is here. Selling machines are ready for the chocolate chef to get here. Again, sink and granite tops are in. This is just a storage area for the chocolate area. We'll end up having some shelves and things like that. Back here, of everything that's just not done, the restroom area is not done yet. Changing room is in flux. Back here in the equipment room, nothing much has changed. I'm still waiting for the power to get installed and will be operational. And that's it for, so I guess today is September